Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple step to troubleshoot if Xbox One won't turn on but power brick is orange. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, reset the power supply. For this purpose, you have to unplug the power cord from the console and the wall outlet. Wait for 10 seconds. Reconnect the power cord and press the Xbox button to turn it on. Check the power outlet. For this purpose, you have to plug a different devices into the same outlet. Avoid using surge protectors or extension cords. Connect directly to the wall outlet. Inspect power supply and cables. Examine the power brick and cables for any damage or wear. Clean any dust or debris from the connectors. Test with a different power supply if available. Perform a hard reset. For this purpose, you have to press and hold the Xbox button on the console for 10 seconds. Unplug the power supply and wait for another 10 seconds. Reconnect and turn it on. Consider professional repair. For this purpose, you have to visit Xbox Support, submit a repair request via the device support page. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.